Next section, we're going to look at unique dates. So if you are working with a large data set in Excel, maybe this is we are doing books for somebody who doesn't have an accounting system. So you will need to create your unique dates and your calendars for that person, so that you can have maybe your management accounts by month, where you can use pivots to report on your data, to actually give the same maybe for January, February, March, December, even for years, concurrent years. If you've got year number 1, 2, 3, then you can actually have it. For example, in here, I can start maybe from 2020, 2021, 2022, and then 2023. That would be like 4 or 5 years. So if I'm starting 2020, that means I must have 1 January 2020 up to date. And then create year number 1 will be maybe my 2020, year number 2, 2022, and the like. But for our example, we're going to use like 1 year, which is our January to December. So how you do that? So January in the notation will be 01. So that's January, and then let's just try to break it and see how it works. So if you break it, so day 01 to 12. Remember, a date month is written as 03 with 2 digits as text. So you need to define your year here. So we're gonna leave it here, and then I'm gonna start here 1 January 2023. Can you note I've typed 1 Jan 2023, because some people have got a tendency to type like this 1/01/2023. If you do this, it's not a date, it's a number, it's a text. Can you see, even if I copy yes, it increases, but it's not a date. So what we need is to type actually 1 January 2023, because then it will work as a date. And then the next, I'm gonna just type a formula here, equals to that plus 1, so that my date will increase. So I'm gonna drag it to 366, row 366. Double click between A and B. Can you see your dates after 31 December? Yeah, that's correct. And then in here, we're gonna use, remember that the date function that we used initially, the time function. So where we say we want to extract the year out of this, so it's gonna be equals to text, open bracket, and then I'm gonna point to this, comma. The year is gonna be how many? 4 Ys, remember? So then we're gonna go 4 Ys, and then close the bracket. And then next period, I'm gonna be equals to text, and then we point it to this date, comma, open double inverted commas, and then we're gonna go MM. And then the day is gonna be equals to text, point it to the date, and then we want DD. Now that you've done it, we're gonna double click at the bottom corner. We select 03/2023 to the 01, and then double click. So let's just check for sanity. December should be period 12, date should be 31. Let's just check June. Make sure June is 30. So if I go to June, it ends on 30 June, it's 6/30. Yeah, it's fine. So that means our unique dates are done. So we will use this in one of the files